Hey, what's up, YouTube? If y'all new to the channel, I'm D, and this New Touch Auto. And these videos that I bring to y'all, they normal. But this one right here, this one here is gonna be new. I'm gonna pretty much present to you an introduction in this video. And I'm gonna bring it to you like your TV shows. You know how you had like the season 1, episode 2, episode 3. That's how I'm gonna bring this one in. Now this one, it's gonna be something like, say for instance, y'all see my channel, right? Everything that I do is pertaining to a vehicle. Whether I'm painting it, wrapping it, whether I'm installing or repairing something, it's dealing with a vehicle. So I felt the need to put something together. I was like, okay, it's only right that I bring to them what I do with my vehicle. And since I'm gonna do something fresh off the jump, I wanna bring everything that I do to y'all and get y'all ideas, because I got a lot of ideas. I've been loving cars and trucks and things of that nature for a long time. Anybody who know me, they know I'm about cars and I'm about like the stunting life. Like that's just what I like. I like the flashy life of cars. Now, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna pretty much see what I'm gonna bring to y'all, man. I got so much I wanna do, I can't even explain it. But I'm gonna start off, like I said, with the introduction. This is an introduction. Season 1, episode 1. That's what we're gonna count it as. What I got is my project. My project. H2 Hummer, SUT. Now, I got so much I want to do to this truck. Like I said, I can't even name it. But you already know I'm gonna paint it. I don't know if I want to vinyl wrap it or I want to liquid wrap it. I know my game with the liquid wrap, but the vinyl wrap, I've been practicing that, and I pretty much got it. I want to keep practicing, so therefore I got to start with my vehicle, and that's what I'm gonna do. Keep practicing, y'all. That's how you get better. All right, practice makes perfect. But with this beast right here, I'm gonna take y'all around, let y'all see it. I got so much. What I'm gonna start off with, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna start off with something nice. Keep it simple in the beginning, then it's just gonna build on up to where it gets hard. I done a lot to it already. Little minor stuff, with the tuning up, making sure everything run right. I done that. Sorry I didn't get a chance to bring it to you, but if you got questions about something on this vehicle and you want to know, I may have the answers. If I don't, I can find it, or you can find it. YouTube got everything. Now, see my baby back here, right? That's my beast. This is the introduction. Episode 1. Episode 2. It's time for the installs. I'm open the door. Let y'all see the inside too. I got black interior in the inside. So we're gonna get to that. Let y'all see what that is. I got the 10 on there. I still gotta get the cover. I gotta get that 2A cover, however you see it, and put that on the top. So I'm gonna put something back there I don't want to delete. Alright. We're gonna go to the inside. Let y'all see what this looks like. Back interior, everything good. We're gonna be talking CD player. We're gonna change out all that. We're gonna get the navigation and everything. Backup cam, we're gonna get it all. Talking upgrades. That's what it's gonna be. Upgrades everywhere. We're gonna have the upgrades to the wheels too. What's a car upgraded without the rims? Nah, come on now. Everything is good. Everything looks good in there. Like I said, the upgrade's coming. Y'all just stay tuned for that introduction, y'all. Keep an eye out for episode 2 installs. Now, if you got any comments you want to add and you want to say, okay, you should do this, you should do that. Right now I'm confused about the color I want to do. So let's start with that. Let me know what color you think I should go. Let me know. I don't know. I'm confused about it right now because I want something that's going to be simple but eye-catching, you know? Let me know what you think. Drop a comment, all right? Any more ideas to it? Let me know what you want to see. Now, I thank y'all for checking out this video. Y'all be prepared for episode 2. Catch y'all on the next one.